Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can assign or apply an animation to texts in your video clips in Adobe Express videos. So let us guide you through this. So start by navigating to your video editing project on Adobe Express Video. Insert the video to your project. Let me go on this one here on that timeline. So what you want to do is insert the text next. To do that, click into text on the left hand side, select the font from here, or search for the font there. I will go with this default text here. You may also choose or change the font here. Now I'm going to leave it like that. Let me just enter the text here, example text. You may resize it if needed. Position it on your canvas. And then guys, you can apply animations to a text box as well as to any other types of elements like photos, video clips. To do that, navigate to the Edit tab here, switch to Animation, and choose an animation in, out, or loop. Now default will be set to none, but you can go with one of these, like Fade for instance, and you will see the preview here if you hover your mouse over it. Click into it to apply it. You may watch the preview here, or customize the animation even more, like change the duration, choose the text segment, like the character, entire word, entire line, the direction. Now as you can see now the animation starts at the right hand side and follows to the left. So guys, that's it. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.